Welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we are going to learn something that can be done in 1 minute, which is creating table in Canva. First, open your Canva account, come to any design, then go to design to see all the kind of templates that you can get. Now first design it and then go to elements and tap for table. After you have searched for table, you will be able to see a certain table option here. Tap on see all and get the first one here. Once you have done it, try to move it in the middle of your canvas, then duplicate it like this, again duplicate it, now go for another table and keep it in the front, and you can see I have successfully created a table right here. Now all this upper layer and the lower layer, you just have to adjust it. After adjusting, you can just put all of your information here, and if you want to put any information inside of the box, just tap on the certain box and click it, and you will be able to write whatever information you want to put. To increase the font's size, you can just go here and you can increase your font size. That is literally how you can create table in Canva in 1 minute. So give it a try at home and let me know in the comments how you are able to do it in 1 minute. That's it for today. If you like our video, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next tutorial.